What if your future could completely change starting from today? Not by making big decisions, but by repeating very small actions every single day of your life. Most people believe success comes from one big moment, but real success is created quietly through the simple choices you make again and again. Stay with me until the very end, because these next few minutes may change how you think about your life forever. Welcome back to English Flow Podcast. My name is John, and I am truly grateful that you are here today. Today, we are learning English while also learning powerful life lessons from one of the most famous books in the world, Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book is not about doing more things. It is about doing the right things in the right way, little by little, every single day. So take a deep breath, relax your mind, listen carefully, and let us begin this journey together. Small habits have the power to completely change your entire life. James Clear tells the story of a man who wanted to become healthy again, but he did not start with heavy exercise and he did not join an expensive gym. He simply began by walking for just 5 minutes every morning. 5 minutes may sound very small, but when you repeat something every day, it becomes extremely powerful. Slowly, 5 minutes became 10 minutes, then 10 minutes became 20 minutes. After a few months, he was walking for 1 full hour every day. His body became stronger, his energy increased, his confidence grew, and his life completely improved. James Clear explains that if you become just 1% better every day, you will be 37 times better after 1 year. That small improvement creates massive results over time. If you learn 1 new English word today, and 1 tomorrow, and 1 the next day, you will know 365 new words after 1 year. Small actions repeated daily create extraordinary change. Your habits are not only about what you do, they are about who you become. When you read every day, you become a reader. When you practice English every day, you become an English speaker. Every small action sends a message to your brain, this is who I am now. Most people try to change their lives by changing their goals, but real change begins when you change your identity. When your identity changes, your habits begin to change naturally, and your life follows in the same direction. Every habit follows the same simple pattern. First comes the signal, then comes the desire, then comes the action, and finally comes the reward. Your brain remembers this pattern and repeats it automatically. You smell coffee, you desire energy, you drink the coffee, and you feel awake and focused. Your brain learns from this feeling and wants to repeat it again. This is how habits are created inside your mind. Your environment controls your behavior more than your motivation ever will. What you see around you quietly shapes your daily actions. If fruit is on the table, you naturally eat healthier. If your phone is on your bed, you naturally scroll more. If your English book is on your desk, you naturally begin studying. Change what you see, and your life will slowly begin to change. Your brain repeats the actions that make you feel good inside, so make your good habits enjoyable. Learn English through movies, through songs, through interesting stories. When learning becomes enjoyable, you no longer feel pressure, you feel excitement. Never wait for motivation to arrive, because motivation is not reliable. Instead, start very small, so small that failure becomes impossible. Read just 1 page, write just 1 sentence, listen for only 2 minutes. Once you begin, your mind continues naturally. Small steps, repeated daily, create unstoppable progress. You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your habits. Your future is being built today by the habits you choose to repeat. Choose wisely, choose small, choose daily, and choose growth. This is John from English Flow Podcast. Thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep growing,
and I will see you in the next episode.